Today I'm going to give you an update on these wonderful puppies. Alright guys, it's Pinkie-Pepper and I'm gonna do a puppy update today. Since Papa Pepper and some of the little Peppers went up to Wisconsin for a while, I stayed home to help Mama Pepper and help her with chores and Bell Pepper. So I'm gonna give you a puppy update because I know more about them right now. Give you an update of how they're doing, and they are just over a week old. So they're pretty chubby, and yeah, so I'm gonna show you them. Yes, they're always in two piles. Okay. Here is the runt and the biggest puppy. This is the runt of the puppies, and this is the biggest puppy. This one's the chubbiest and the biggest, and if you see its face, it's pretty smushed face because its eyes are still shut. This one's the cutest, I think. With this little black spotted nose. I think it's really cute, right, Rosemary? So yeah, these are the two biggest puppies and smallest puppies. This one is hungry. Oh. Just so you didn't know that, there's two boys. And these are the two boys. We thought there was one boy, but actually there's two, so. And this one has like a little, oh that tickles, a little spot on its head. And this one does too. Yeah, they're really cute. And they're really cute, and this one's like a little monkey. And this one is like sleeping still. And that one is a really cool little girl. She's all white on one side, and then she has a black eye. I like that little puppy. She's a cute one. Snowball. Snowball. And these puppies I'm going to put down because they're too squirmy. The black and white puppies. The black and white puppies. These black and white puppies are like the loudest. Wow. There's one that has more brown and one that has a little bit more black. Their faces are really cute too. And I like them because they're just cute little ones. This one has a black nose. And this one has a spotted nose. So I like the black and white ones. I don't know how we got black and white ones with a white one and rosemary. But we got black and white ones, and they're really cute. And they smell nice. That's the nice thing. I don't want puppies that smell dirty. So that's what I like about these puppies, and soon they will be opening their eyes and their ears. There's two boys and 7 girls, and they're growing fast. They're just over a week old, and they're gonna grow fast, and soon they'll be bigger and we'll have better puppy footage. That's more happy. Alright, that was the puppy update. Pinkie out.
As always, I'm Papa Pepper, and I'd like to remind you, don't post for free. If you'd like to be part of a revolution in social media, an economic power to the people where users can actually blog for cryptocurrency, then I'd recommend that you check out steemit.com and join the revolution. Papa out.